Hi everyone, today we are going to talk about SUMX function. For understanding SUMX function, we should first apply to Excel. In Excel, we see we have category column and unit price and quantity sold. We need create sales. For creating sales, we choose a column, sales column, and we need to multiply unit price value to quantity sold. For electronic, it is 300 B2 multiply C2. Now you see unit price is 300 and quantity sold is 4, and their sales amount is 1,200, for example, dollars. And for others, same. Now we see sales. For total sales, we need to sum this sales column. You see it is $2,350. But without creating this sales column, we could find total sales. How? With some product function. We delete the sales column and we write some product. Now we choose array 1 unit price and array 2 quantity sold. Now you see we don't have sales column, but we found the total sales. But if we use first sum multiply another sum, it will give the wrong answer. For example, if you find first a unit price value and multiply quantity sold sum, it will give the wrong number, because first it's sums unit price, then quantity sold. In Power BI also we have same table. First we try to write some unit price or quantity sold, multiply sum unit price. If we create a table, and put its category and their values here, and here's the sales. If we look row by row, it's okay. Closing 125. Now the answer is correct. Sales amount correct, electronics is correct, furniture correct, but total is wrong, because in total it multiply 12 to 625. In total we see the wrong answer. What we do the same in sum product, but in Power BI we don't use sum product. Instead we use SUMX function. SUMX requires table. It's our sales table. And what should we do? Quantity sold, unit quantity sold multiply unit price. Now you see it is correct. For this, we should, for these cases, we should use SUMX, and we can look at the totals. So unlike sum function, SUMX goes row by row, performs a calculation per row, and then adds the result.